Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show how to crochet for absolute beginners. For the beginning, all you need is your scissors and hook. I'm using the hook in the size of 4 mm, but you can use different, it depends on your yarn, and needle and the yarn. Behind the yarn you see the size of the hook you should use. First we do our slip knot in this way. And you have your slip knot, and again I will show it. And I'm holding the yarn in this way, but it will be different from person to person. Now we are starting our chain. You are going to wrap your yarn around the hook, then want to grab the yarn with your hook and bring your hook toward you and through the loop. And that's the chain, and repeat all the steps till the end of the chain. Now we are going to do another row. In this row we are going to learn how to do single crochet. We are going to insert our hook into second chain. We insert, then yarn over, yes, come out, and yarn over and pulling through both loops. And again we repeat all the steps till the end of the chain. And for the second row we do one chain and flip it around, and we are going to work into each of these pieces. Now you can do as many rows as you would like. This is the last row. At the end we are going to chain one and pull your hook and cut the yarn and pull the yarn tight. If you want, you can use needle for hiding the extra yarns. And you can cut extra one and do same thing to other side. In the beginning it can be difficult for you, but all you need is just practice more. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and write a comment which kind of videos you would like to see in my channel. See you!